Strategy, the largest corporate Bitcoin holder, is reportedly weighing a sale of its holdings to, quote, inoculate the market, according to Decrypt. The suggestion comes from Executive Chairman Michael Saylor and has drawn immediate attention across crypto markets. On Polymarket, the forecast for Bitcoin falling to $80,000 on May 6 surged 54.5% as traders reacted to the report. YES currently sits at 8%, NO at 92%. The market consensus is that a Bitcoin dip below $80,000 today remains unlikely, even as Strategy's potential move introduces fresh uncertainty into an already volatile session. YES is at 8%. Watcher Guru reports on how Solana is steadily capturing developer activity, transaction volume, and ecosystem momentum from Ethereum. The analysis adds weight to concerns about Ethereum's near-term price trajectory. On Polymarket, the forecast for Ethereum reaching $2,500 on May 6th has shifted by 21.7% on the session. YES now stands at 11%, NO at 89%. The market is signaling that Ethereum's climb to $2,500 today looks narrow, with competitive dynamics from Solana weighing on sentiment heading into the close. YES is at 11%. Ethereum exchange-traded funds have recorded a third consecutive day of net inflows, reports investing.com, a signal of sustained institutional demand even as price volatility continues. The inflow streak is being closely watched as a potential price floor indicator. On Polymarket, the forecast for Ethereum touching $2,350 on May 6th climbed 26.5% today. YES now stands at 43%, NO at 57%. With the market nearly split, participants are weighing whether the ETF inflow momentum is strong enough to push Ethereum down to the $2,350 level before midnight. YES is at 43%. Active military strikes by Israel and the United States are being reported inside Iran, according to live coverage from Dawn. The situation is rapidly evolving with aviation, diplomatic, and regional security implications under close watch by governments and analysts worldwide. On Polymarket, the forecast for Iran closing its airspace by May 15th jumped 28.6% as the news broke. YES is now at 14%, NO at 86%. The market is indicating that a full airspace closure remains unlikely within the next 9 days, though traders acknowledge this is a situation where the consensus can shift within minutes. YES is at 14%. Technical analysts on TradingView are flagging bullish signals on gold against the US dollar, with upward momentum cited in a widely shared chart analysis by user Tuasato. Safe haven demand tied to the developing geopolitical situation in Iran may also be a contributing factor to the price outlook. On Polymarket, the forecast for gold reaching $4,500 in May rose 12.3% today. YES currently sits at 41%, NO at 59%. With the market nearly evenly split, this is among the closer calls of the session, reflecting genuine disagreement among participants on where gold finishes the month. YES is at 41%. That's Prediction Market Live. All market links are in the pinned comment below this broadcast. Join the conversation on Telegram at t.me/betthenews for real-time alerts. Subscribe to the email digest at polymarkettrade.app/subscribe. News analysis only, not financial advice. Subscribe for the next macro probability move.